this video, I will show you how to scan any QR code with just your Android phone camera. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your Android phone camera. So I'm going to open my camera right here. Then after you open up your camera, the next thing you want to do is to simply switch to this on your Android phone camera. Then here you go. And the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and select the QR code. You can upload a QR code, or better still, you can simply position your camera into a particular QR code. So in this tutorial, I'm going to upload a QR code. I'm going to select this and then select my QR code right here. Boom. Now QR code has been successfully scanned. The next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on here to open the link. And it's going to connect to that particular information in the QR code. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks about how best to use Android phone, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.